Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video, we're gonna review Sony E-mount 16mm f2.8 wide-angle prime lens. So this is how the lens looks like. Right now I am having this mounted on my Sony NEX6 mirrorless camera. This is a wide-angle lens specially made if you want to do vlogging, if you want to make videos for YouTube, you don't have that much space in your home, you want to set up your home studio for making videos. For that kind of purpose, this is a great lens. If you have a small desk, you can put this lens on your camera in front of you and it will be able to cover your face and most of the area. So really good lens if you want to record these kind of YouTube videos, talking head kind of videos at your home. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing it and don't forget to press the bell notification icon. So guys, this lens is very lightweight and the construction is also pretty good. If I take out this lens, so it is having this metal construction, so that gives a very robustness to this lens. It is a sort of a professional lens. If you talk about the price of this lens, it sells for around $300 so that is a very expensive price for such a tiny lens, but it is indeed very tiny. You can see the weight is almost 100 grams, and if you are having such a compact mirrorless camera like the Sony NEX6, this combination become a very lightweight combination. The entire combination is around 400 grams, which is such a lightweight combination to travel, and if you want to do like travel videos, landscape photography, so this is a great combo to go with. However, even though this is a professional lens, there are some caveats to this. The image quality that you get with this tiny lens is still not that great, because at 16 it is having 2.8 aperture. If you compare this with Sony 16 to 50 power zoom kit lens, there is not much of a difference, because this kit lens at 16 is having aperture of 3.5 and this is having 2.8 aperture. So there is not much light extra that you will get on this lens. Beside this power zoom lens also have optical stabilization, which this lens is not having. And this zoom lens goes from 16 to 50, so you can also do portraits if you are at 50. So overall, this kit lens is still a better value for money, because this lens is really very expensive. And if you talk about the image quality, even the image quality from this lens is not that great. There is not much to choose between the kit lens and this one. So kind of image that you can get with the kit lens, you can get pretty much the same result with this one. So why pay extra to buy this expensive lens when you can get the almost similar kind of image quality and video quality with the kit lens? However, if you still want a wide angle lens and you want a professional lens, so then definitely you can go for this one. And I would recommend to you that you get this lens used in case you want to get it. Now I'm gonna put onto the screen some of the sample photos that I've taken with this wide angle lens, and all the photos that I took were using the Sony NEX6 mirrorless camera, and they were taken in pretty much good lighting situation in the evening when the sun was about to set, and I got really good results with this. Because of the wide angle, I get a really nice field of view. I can cover a lot of areas. With a zoom lens, it is sometimes more difficult if you want to cover a large area. For example, if you want to take a picture of a building, if you are having a longer lens, then it won't fit in the frame. But with this 16mm lens, you can cover almost any kind of buildings. So if you are into like architectural photography, if you do home photography, then this kind of a wide angle lens is pretty good for you. However, the sharpness is not that great with this lens. Pretty much same kind of results you get with the kit lens as well. Now I'm gonna put onto the screen the video as well that you can make with this, so you will get an idea whether you can use this lens for making vlogging kind of videos or talking head kind of videos. Hello guys, so this is the 16mm lens and the aperture is f2.8. so this is the kind of video that you can get with this lens, and you can see the video is pretty sharp and the field of view is very good. So this is a perfect lens if you don't have much space to play around with. If you want to shoot indoor and you don't have a very big space in your room, so this is a great lens. If you want to make like videos, this is a very good lens, especially if you are shooting yourself, if you are vlogging, because 16mm focal length gives you really very nice field of view where your face is visible and also the area behind you is visible. Let me now quickly show you how this will look if I vlog with this. So right now I am holding this camera in my hand. I don't have any selfie stick or tripod, so this is how it looks. So you are able to see the background as well pretty clearly, and also my face. So this is the field of view you can get with this lens. Now the final question, guys, should you get this lens or should you be happy with the 16 to 50 mm kit lens? I would say this 1650 mm kit lens is a better choice compared to this lens, because you have the optical stabilization in this kit lens and it goes from 16 to 50, so it is more versatile. And even the sharpness, there is not much of a difference. This lens is not that sharp. It is a very disappointing lens and it is very expensive. This kit lens is much cheaper and does more job. So I would recommend sticking with your kit lens instead of investing in this expensive, not that great Sony lens. However, still, if you have a lot of money, you want to experiment, you want to try this lens, I would say get this lens used on eBay or some second-hand camera good selling website for like $100. Then still it is a decent value for money. Alright guys, I hope you liked my video. If you like my video, share it and like it. It will motivate me, and do subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the notification icon.